I wanted to give a bit of an overview about the last few weeks where I've played with Adam, with Bill, and with Ken. They made my job much easier. When we play with other people, it's much easier. My job is a lot easier when the other person knows what they're doing. If you've ever danced with a brand new dance partner, it's a little bit robotic and awkward, and I have to really do a lot of work, I'm not a good dancer, to figure out what is the other person trying to do. Versus dancing with a partner who knows what they're doing, who's very light, who's quite reactive, who may lead you and knows exactly what they're doing. It's the same thing. Bill the Busker knew his songs. It was very easy for me to hear what he was doing. Here are the chords, here's my voice, here's the blank spaces. My job was the same always, which is to play the chords, to add fills, to support the melody. When Adam started to play, by playing the way he did, beautifully, amazingly, he let me know that he knew what he was doing. Here are the chords of the song. He's going to play lightly. He gave me a polished piece of music. It made it clear to me how I should support that music. It didn't need rhythm. Adam knew what rhythm to do. It meant my left hand, I didn't need to do any. Song didn't need a noom-papa rhythm, despite being a waltz. It meant with this beautiful, complete... He'd already created a statue. And so my job was putting little ornaments and supporting the melody again with block chords with little fills. Ken the blues player, my father-in-law, he held down that song perfectly. He presented me with a finished piece of music, and so I knew exactly where I needed to go. What does this mean? New musicians, new players. Whether you're an experienced musician or a brand new player, our job is the same. It's to play the chords of the song on the left hand and the right hand. Depending on your skill level and depending on the skill level of the person that you're playing with, you might need to do more or less. Right, this month's challenge on Accordion Love was how to accompany Let It Be by the Beatles when this guy is playing guitar. I don't leave too much room, so you have to make that decision. There are a few more challenges that I posted this month where someone is just playing lead with a melodica, and so there's more room for you to accompany. If you can, play with players that are better than you. Better than you meaning they've already polished their performance. Play with players that, it doesn't necessarily matter about the player, but if you notice in my videos, I mostly listen first. I wait for that person to present their piece of music to me so that I could see where can I contribute. I've left some notes in the performance videos, but I've also done behind-the-scene commentary where I'm commenting about what is going through my mind and what musical choices I'm making. Again, they're the same every time, but you could listen to me annotate what it is that I'm doing. That's what I wanted to say. I hope your day's going well. Thank you.